In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import login credentials to Bitwarden. I want to guide you through this simple process, which will take just about 5 minutes. Let's get started by heading straight to the Bitwarden website. Bitwarden is an open-source password manager, which caters to personal, business, and enterprise needs, providing you with a secure environment to manage your login information. Once you've navigated to the Bitwarden homepage, you'll need to click on the Login button. If you already have an account, use your existing credentials to log in. For those who haven't signed up yet, you'll need to create an account. Simply follow the sign-up process, which is straightforward, and once registered, go ahead and log into your new Bitwarden account. With successful login, you'll find yourself directed to the Vaults page. This is your secure destination for managing all your passwords and sensitive information. From here, look for the menu and select the Tools option. This part of Bitwarden acts as a central hub where you can manage and configure your data efficiently. In the Tools section, you'll want to choose the Import Data option. This is essential for bringing your credentials from another service or from a backup file. Click on Import Data to begin the process of adding your saved login credentials into Bitwarden. Now, select the source of your credentials. Bitwarden supports imports from multiple sources, including many popular password managers and file types. Choose the one that corresponds to where your data is currently stored. Open the file on your device, and then you'll need to paste the data into the provided field. Make sure you're pasting only the login credentials and sensitive details while avoiding any irrelevant information. Pay attention to the format requirements for your chosen source to ensure a smooth import process. Finally, once your data is pasted, look for the Import Data button and click it to begin importing your credentials into Bitwarden. This process usually takes just a few moments, depending on the size and amount of data being transferred. And that's it. Your credentials are now securely stored within Bitwarden. With everything set up, you're all set to enjoy the peace of mind that comes from knowing your passwords are safely managed. Remember, regularly updating your stored information and reviewing your security settings can fortify your security even further. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Enjoy your secure browsing with Bitwarden.